Hey guys, Mike here with Mike Glatzer Photography, and today I want to talk to you about project tags. Okay, so to show you what they are, we're going to go into our tags, or I'm sorry, into our project folder, and go to my all, and you can see all these have a corresponding little dot next to them. Okay, these are tags, and effectively all they are is just a little identifier that you can add from here. And you can customize these, and it's just something to help label and identify your clients in a way that's different than other ways. So because I'm a photographer, my options are typically, is this a brand client, is this an engagement client, is it a headshot client, things like that. And the reasons why I will do this is because it allows me to filter and sort. So if you go filter and select tags, oops, I can say, okay, let's pull up all my headshot clients. And it automatically pulls it up. And you can see they're actually color-coded next to the project file, which is really, really handy, okay? So, again, it's something helpful so you can find everything. I think you can actually add multiple, too, which is really nice. Yep, nope. So you're looking for any client that has, two if you stack them, right? So if you add more than one, it's got to be a client that, fulfills multiple categories simultaneously, which some, you might do that, like this one, because I have labels for vendors and for project jobs. And that's something that, you can do. So like you can use your tags from multiple different ways. You can use them to, help label the type of job, whether it be, again, because I'm a photographer, it's a wedding, it's a headshot, it's a senior portrait session, it's a branding portrait session. If you're a graphic designer, it could be, what kind of work you're expected to do. So it could be, full website, it could be landing pages, it could be anything like that. So there's multiple ways to break it down. The other thing you could do is you could assign other random things just to help you understand like what's going on with these clients. So, if you believe in, Enneagrams, personality types, you could use your tags to label your clients as this is a type 1, this is a type 3, this is a type 5, this is a type 9, so that you better know how to communicate with them. You could do something like that. Or, if you're snarky like me, you can have a PITA label, which is pain in the ass, so you know which jobs are going to take a little extra tea or coffee. It's really whatever you want to do, okay? So they're helpful, if you want to filter stuff out, if you want to use data, metrics, and all that kind of stuff, all right? So let's walk through how to actually build them. There's a couple of different ways. First off is in your Projects tab, if you go to Customize over here, scroll on down, on the very bottom you've got tags, and they're all down here, right? So if you click on any particular one, you can archive it, save it, you can change the color on it by clicking here, and you can manually type in what it is, right? If you want to just create a new one, click Add Tag here, you get all the fun options, right? You can do it that way. You can also go into a project file, and where you have the ability to select a tag, you can also just create a brand new tag right there. So if you're working on a project and you want to create a tag for your clients that you haven't used before and you're like, oh snap, I could actually use this, you can just add it right here, no problem, and it's right there. So very, very handy. Okay, so that's how you add tags themselves. Now, how do you actually add them to a project? Well, as you can see right here again, in the project file, just down click here, you can select the ones you've already built, all that. And the other place you can put it is actually in your workflows. So I do this typically in my templates. So I know that if I'm getting a Dubsado client, I will just manually, or at least, here, I'll just show you in the workflow because it's a little bit smarter. So let's see, Dubsado lead capture, right? So you can see I have a tag. So anyone who triggers my Dubsado lead capture, which is they submit a inquiry for my Dubsado services through my Dubsado lead capture form, they get step, and then I immediately add a tag that says add tag, select tag to add, which in this case, well, it's down here so it won't show up, but if it didn't, right, I could just scroll down and say, ooh, Dubsado, right? It's down there, hit apply, and it'll add that tag to the project. So if you want, you can use tags in multiple different ways. So you can say, things are paid, things are done. They're really, really flexible, and you can really use them however you want. It's really up to you. But that's tags in a nutshell. Very simple, very easy. I hope that all makes sense. I know I went through that pretty quickly. So if you have any questions about how to use tags, what tags to use, why they're good for your business, because sometimes they aren't really. I think they're just kind of like a little nice to have. They're not totally mandatory, but prove me wrong. Tell me why you think they're valuable to your business. But otherwise, if you have questions, please reach out, comment down below, let me know. And if you want to see more videos about Dubsado and how to set it up, subscribe to my channel and you'll get to see more. Okay? Once again, I'm Mike with Mike Glatzer Photography. Cheers.